Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying access and tooling so you can act immediately. First, confirm your Azure subscription and that you have contributor or higher. This avoids permission errors. Once done, install and update as CLI2. X and run as login to authenticate. Next, create a resource group and a virtual network for isolating the Archon Shard. These steps let you provision resources without surprises and make sure to register any required resource providers before moving to deployment. Now deploy the Archon Shard using the provided ARM template or Helm chart. Choose node sizes and replica counts to match workload. While the deployment runs, configure persistent storage via a storage class and ensure secrets are mounted securely. This prevents data loss and secrets leakage. Then, set up the load balancer and ingress so traffic is routed and redundant. Finally, enable Azure Monitor with a log analytics workspace and create alert rules. That gives you real-time telemetry. Finish by validating the shard. Check pod readiness, service endpoints, and run basic latency tests to confirm behavior. Once validated, apply auto-scaling policies and a patch management plan so performance remains stable under load. If something fails, start troubleshooting by inspecting pod logs and node metrics, then restart or redeploy individual components as needed. One key tip: if connectivity or persistent volume errors occur, verify network security groups and storage claims first, because those are common root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.